Last year, my go-to recommendation for a smartphone under 25k was Motorola H50 Fusion. Great display, good performance, clean software, awesome cameras, IP68 rating, good battery life and fast charging. I remember it being out of stock for the most part. People like that phone a lot. Well, this year Moto is back with the same awesome value proposition and it is called Motorola H60 Fusion. I've been using it for a couple of days and let's talk about it. One of the major upgrades this year is with the display. 1.5K resolution, 6.7 inches POLED 120Hz panel which is very color accurate. In fact, they're calling it the world's most immersive true color all curved display. What does that mean? It is Pantone validated, hits 100% on the DCI-P3 color gamut and supports HDR10. See, all these numbers add up to a very good viewing experience. Things like shows on Netflix, YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, everything looks immersive. I mean, the display quality for the price of this phone is just amazing. And it also has a peak brightness of 4500 nits, which by the way is the best in its segment. This basically means that outdoor visibility is not an issue with this phone. I could easily use this phone in direct sunny conditions. Now, the best part is the screen to body ratio. It is 96.3%. That is the best in its segment. So basically this phone has a lot of screen and super slim bezels. The display is also curved. It's a 45-degree curve on the sides and 33-degree curve on the top and bottom. That is great for people who love curved displays. The curved display looks very classy, but I personally am a fan of flat displays. If you've been a regular on the channel, you already know that. The display also comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner which is fast and accurate. I've had no issues with it whatsoever. And durability wise, the display is sorted because of Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. And there's also SGS Eye Care along with Smart Water Touch. What I'm trying to say is that the display on Motorola H60 Fusion is amazing. Now, let's talk about my favorite part, the cameras. There's a 50 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization. Then there's a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with macro capabilities. And finally, there is a 3-in-1 light sensor. Photos from this phone look amazing. The main camera shoots great photos in terms of dynamic range and colors. Shadows and highlights are exposed in the proper way and there's a good amount of contrast in the images. Also, colors are just awesome. That Pantone validation is coming into play over here. So essentially the colors in the images from Motorola H60 Fusion look really good. Not too saturated and not undersaturated as well. I like how the images look overall. And this is across lighting conditions. H60 Fusion can shoot really good photos in day lighting, artificial lighting as well as low lighting conditions. Now this also comes with pro level Moto AI features which were in the H50 Ultra last year. There's AI photo enhancement which makes the photo look amazing and kind of ready to be uploaded to social media, maybe on Instagram story or X or something like that. What about portrait mode? Well, here are some portrait samples and it does do a fairly good job at it. It also has an AI feature called as tilt shift mode which basically allows one to click portraits with multiple points of focus. Now, there is an ultra wide angle camera as well for those awesome perspectives. Can be used to shoot some creative shots and they do look good. If you want to fit more in the frame, you can definitely use the ultra wide angle camera.
What about video recording? Well, here's a quick 4K 30fps sample from the main camera. It does have OIS which does a fairly good job in terms of stabilization, but there is more. A Moto AI feature called as adaptive stabilization helps in stabilizing the footage even further. That is particularly handy if you're shooting a video while walking or running or something like that. By the way, this phone can shoot 4K 30fps videos from all the cameras. Now here is a quick front camera video test which also can shoot 4K 30fps videos. I think it looks amazing, but you guys let me know about the microphone quality. How does it sound? Let me know in the comment section down below.
And while we are talking about the front camera, here are a few samples from the 32 megapixel quad pixel selfie camera. I like how the selfies look. Detailed, good quality HDR selfies. All things considered, this smartphone has a great set of cameras. It is 2025 and the H60 Fusion obviously has a whole host of AI features. There is AI Magic Canvas which can generate images via text prompts. I did try this out and it works really well actually. Then there is AI Style Sync which helps generate wallpapers. Now, one of the most useful AI features is Catch Me Up. I can basically just double tap the back of this phone and get a whole summary of all the notifications. Similarly, there are features like Pay Attention which transcribes and summarizes whatever you say. It can be useful in meetings or calls. Then there is a very interesting feature called as Remember plus Recall. Basically, Basically, you can save any photo or screenshot and later on ask Moto AI to recall that photo or screenshot by just searching for it in the photo gallery. Super handy tool, especially when you find something interesting and you want to get back to it later. Now, there are also AI features from Google like Magic Eraser, which can be used to remove any person or object from photos and works really well. Similarly, AI Photo Unblur, AI Magic Editor, AI Sky, etc. everything is available inside Google Photos. For a phone that is under 25k, these AI features are highly appreciated. Alright, next up we have durability. This year Moto has upped their game in terms of the IP rating. Last year Motorola H50 Fusion only had IP68, but this year the H60 Fusion has IP68 plus IP69. Now Motorola has also tested the smartphone for accidental drops and shocks. It has something called as military grade MIL STD 810H certification, which basically means that it will be okay if you accidentally drop it from your pocket or something like that. But it does not mean that it is unbreakable. It can still break, but it will probably survive an accidental drop. I hope you get my point. Motorola H60 Fusion is one of the best looking smartphones out there according to me. I mean, just look at these color options. They look lovely. In fact, these colors are also Pantone curated colors which look very unique. Also, the back panel is vegan leather which has a very good texture to it. Now, this is also a very slim phone which does feel comfortable in the hand. Not too bulky, and I like that. The weight is just 180 grams and it is only 8.2 mm thick. And this color, man, it's just too good. Alright, what about performance? See, performance is very smooth for normal day-to-day applications. Things like checking your email, replying to WhatsApp messages, using Instagram, UPI payments, and maybe editing some photo here and there. If you are a regular on the channel, you watch my day in the life videos and you know that my use is very normal. And for my use case, the performance has been incredible on this phone. It has a MediaTek Dimensity 7400 processor. This is the first time in India that this processor is being used in a smartphone. Now, the storage type is UFS 2.2 and the RAM type is LPDDR4X, which is good, but it could have been better. Now, one more major aspect of performance is software. So Motorola H60 Fusion comes with Hello UI out of the box based on Android 15. The software is clean, customizable and fast. And one of the best things out there are Moto gestures. They work really well. There's also something called as Smart Connect, which can be used to connect this smartphone wirelessly to a TV or PC, maybe if you want to play a game or watch a video or something like that. Basically, the software is clean and feature-packed. What about updates? This smartphone will get 3 years of major updates and 4 years of security updates. Battery life and charging. The Motorola H60 Fusion has a 5500 mAh battery. That is a good battery and this phone does not even feel bulky. It is very slim and lightweight. Now, this battery easily lasted me throughout the day with like 25 to 30% left towards the end of the day. That is very good battery life according to me. Now, if you want a proper day in the life video with the Motorola H60 Fusion, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below and I will make that happen. As far as charging goes, there is a 68 watt fast charger provided inside the box itself. 15 minutes of charge will give like a day's worth of battery, which is very convenient. Alright, what are my initial impressions about the Motorola H60 Fusion? Before I tell you that, let's talk about the price. This phone starts at a price of Rs 22,999 and the base variant has 256GB of internal storage. See, again this year H60 Fusion is going to be my go-to recommendation under 25,000 rupees for people who are looking for an all-rounder smartphone. The sale starts on 9th April. If you want to buy it, I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. So anyway, that's been it. These were my impressions about the Motorola H60 Fusion. Do let me know what you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel because that would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys very soon in the next video. Bye bye.